Okay, run you through a few different resources you can use to keep up with AI, because this is where I find all of my good information. So one is Twitter or X.com, whatever you want to call it. This is a list of different people that I found really useful, and you're going to get the slides to download as well. So just click through to them. So there's a few different people in here, different people who work at OpenAI, people who work in other model companies. There are aggregators, DataChaz or Scobalize. There's also people who work as prompt engineers like Riley Goodside, and then industry luminaries like Andrej Karpathy, Simon Willison, Dr. Jim Fan. A bunch of these guys are really cool, and they share a lot of information. Usually Twitter is the first place I find out about stuff. Then there's newsletters, which is very comprehensive. Probably the only one you need is Ben's Bytes, because it tells you pretty much everything. But I also Every for their thought leadership. That's a bit more like the New Yorker version of an AI newsletter. So they really go deep into some of the implications of these new technologies. There's also Latent Space, which is good for more technical people. They're developers, they go really deep into the weeds, and then a few others there as well. There's also Discord, and I don't get enough time to dig into this stuff, but this is where all the alpha is, so people tell me. If you dig into these communities, you can see things that people are experimenting with before they even go out on Twitter, and you can ask people questions and you can share ideas. There's a ton of these Discords, but I really like the Midjourney one and OpenAI, and then there's a bunch of others. I don't have full time to check everything, but I've joined a bunch of the ones that I like, and then I just dig into them as needed. Finally, I have a book coming out next year. If you guys are interested in that, you can already go on the O'Reilly platform and take a look. It's available for pre-release, but it's based on these same 5 principles of prompting. We have hundreds of real-world examples in there, but this is a coding book, so it goes deeper into the actual coding side. So I wouldn't buy it if you're not interested in that. That is one option. The other is other Udemy course. This course that you're taking right now is the non-technical version of this. It's all new material, right? It's very different from what we're showing here, but it's the same principles applied. If you want to learn how to code, or you are coding right now and you want to learn prompt engineering and doing that at scale, then I recommend this course. We've actually way past 30,000 users now on this, and every now and again Udemy puts it on sale. We don't have control over that, but what I will put in here is a discount code. I'll keep that up to date. I have to refresh it every month. I'll do that for you guys. Hopefully you find that course useful as well.